Come on, baby, the milk's right there. Okay, right there. There's the milk. Come on. Come on, baby, come on. Come on, get hyphy. Let's go. Come on. Go! You can do it. Come on. Go, baby. Come on. Come on. That's Dr. Brown right there. He's waiting for you. He's got nothing but good stuff in him. Ooh, look at that up kick. You see your side kick. Give me a kick against the fence. Come on, let me see one. Like tongue pull. Hit that shit. Ooh. Alright, so I guess if I just put it here, you might get it. Oh, God, okay. Come on. Oh, what's up, Matt Hughes? Huh? Using the fence? Huh? BJ Penn?